Pregnancy means 9 months of better eating habits. Both you and baby need vitamins and nutrients to stay healthy and strong. Here are top 3 superfoods by none other than India's leading nutritionist Rujuta Diwekar, who always encourages pregnant women to use common sense and simple homemade recipes. Superfood number 1. Turmeric or haldi. Turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory effects and is a very strong antioxidant. Excessive inflammation may result in lowered fetal growth and preeclampsia. It may also affect the neurological development of the fetus since it gives a boost to the neurons in the brains. How to include turmeric in your pregnancy diet? Care. In tadkas, for dal, sabzi, khichdi. Follow the chalk or baghar method taught at home about when to exactly add it while cooking. Tender turmeric. Make a pickle or add in chai with lemongrass, ginger and honey. Add a pinch of turmeric to chana or masoor dal paste. Mix it with milk and use it while bathing. It is especially useful in preventing pigmentation, acne and blotches. Superfood number 2. Moong, the bean and the dal. Moong is rich in vitamin A, B, C and E and also in many minerals including calcium, iron and potassium. It is one of the best plant-based sources of protein. It is rich in essential amino acids. It keeps the body cool, helping you avoid heat stroke, high body temperatures and thirst. How to include moong in your pregnancy diet? Sprout them overnight and cook them well for maximum nutrient absorption. Sprouting reduces levels of phytic acid, which is an anti-nutrient. Anti-nutrients can reduce the absorption of minerals like zinc, magnesium and calcium. Make dal or khichdi out of it. Make tasty items like chivda or chila out of it to kill the boredom of eating regular recipes without the risk of eating junk. Superfood number 3. The humble rice. Rice is a good source of energy, carbohydrates, calcium, iron, thiamine, pantothenic acid, folate, vitamin B and E. Cook rice and eat with dals, lentils, kadhi, dahi or milk. Make a pej or kanji, a light soup that retains the vitamin B of the rice and it is light and easy to digest. Give a tadka or chalk to the previous night's leftover rice to transform it into a quick and delicious breakfast. iMumz, the award-winning app, is deeply committed to making pregnancies healthier and happier and the babies intelligent and robust. The app has pregnancy dietary and nutritional advice that has been prepared by some of the country's top pregnancy diet experts. Download the app today.